Okay, so for the dermaplaning class, this is what I start with. Before I start, I make sure I have all my items, all my equipment. And firstly, I normally start with a table. You're going to need a massage table for your clients to lay their head on, to lay their body on, to actually lay back and relax and enjoy their treatment. So after that, you get a twin sheet, a fitted sheet that goes underneath the table or around the table, just like a twin bed. That's what's called twin sheet. Next, you will need your kiwi. Kiwi is great because it has little small hairs, little small tiny hairs that represent men's hair or some women who have rough hair. The kiwi represents this hair, and if you can feel it, it's granular. It's like, oh crap, it's kind of messy, sticky. Yep, that's how our hair is. And after it grows past that, it gets even harder and harder. That's when you can get ingrown hairs, ingrown craziness, acne bumps, razor bumps. And they all have the same type of handles, but different numbers. So on my blade, it says number 3, a 3 handle. Your blade might say 5, or it might say 10, it may say whatever it says. My bigger blade, 4. See right there, number 4. Because it's a bigger handle compared to this handle. And plus it's heavier. It's a lot heavier. It's thicker, heavier. This one's thinner and lighter. So the thicker blade or blade handle you need for a thicker blade. You can see how big the entrance is. Look how small and tiny the entrance is on these blades. Nice and small. And anything over 1200, that class might not be worth it. If it's worth it, it better be like the best dermaplaning class. It better be a dermaplaning the whole body. It better be getting me a chemical peel, all that shit. Because remember, you got to pay for your hotel, your room, your board, all that good stuff. Airbnb in it, your travel up there, plane ticket. I went to New York, and that class, I gotta say, I enjoyed New York. I just didn't enjoy the class. The class was 3 days long, and the full first day, all we did was learn about bookwork, aesthetic work, that we already are estheticians. I'm a master esthetician, damn it. I know way beyond this class. So that's the downfall. Day 2 and day 3, we finally get to work on models. And it like took forever for our models to get there. They had to recruit people from the streets or whatever. None of us have family members there because we're all traveling. So be careful of where you go to get these classes. Make sure that they have models. Make sure that they're going to give you blades. They didn't give us blades. We had to buy the blades from them. And that was another fee. I think that was another $200. So I really did pay for the class, actually. I got a $500 discount, yes, but I paid an extra $200. Make sure that they take care of you. What are you going to get with this class? With me, I'm going to give you everything. Well, I'm not giving this to you. I'm going to show you everything that you should be getting. Because they're not going to teach you with fruits. They teach you on live models, which everybody makes mistakes. We all cut somebody. Well, me, I'd shave. I'm a man. Yeah, I'm going to be kind of perfect in that class. Because, yes, I know what to do. We get ingrown hairs all the time. We get injured all the time. So I already kind of knew what to do. So just be careful. Know what you have to you're getting yourself into. If they give you your equipment, then you're doing well. Like a magazine catch. Like if you have a gun and you're putting a magazine in, it has a catch on the side of the clip. So your blade, all you're doing is putting the longer or skinnier part inside the bigger hole. Which the blade has the bigger hole. This is, think of it as the penis and the vagina. I know that's a bad analogy, but hey, it connects with each other. You fit it inside. It has to go along on the top on the rail. The rail is this thing right here. So the little rail slit or rail hole. It has to connect. So right here, just put it in. He's coming in. She's saying, okay, it's cool. You better fit. And then if you fit, oh man, it's bliss. It's wonderful. It's a perfect fit. Things are going to work out. As you guys can see, all the non So since I know the person's level of their skin, I'm more exacting on my second passes, because now I know how light, how hard to go. And like I said in the very beginning, you're going to make some mistakes on some people's skin. That's just a marker, basically. You're basically saying, oh, right there, that's that skin, that's where it's soft, or that's where it's gonna break. Because right here, look, see how easy it is to break this up. Right, that skin, see how it's just coming off? I'm lightly going over it. This is just a blade lightly going over, and it's peeling it off. So right here would just be a super sensitive area where you would have to go extra slow, light pressure over, and get rid of that dead skin or that dry, sensitive, ashy skin or whatever it is. Or Ulta Beauty, Amazon, wherever you get it from. It's just a fan brush. Make sure the bristles are nylon. You don't want to mess up your bristles with chemical peel or anything else. So just dip it in, just get a little bit of it, and just coat wherever you're going to start working on. That peach, it is like smooth. It's like baby butt smooth, and that's why I like the gel. The gel actually, it acts as a conductor for the hair. Like, it makes it stand up, it makes it coagulate or get together, or bunch together. So your end result is just a smooth peach. So if you can imagine giving your peaches a chemical peel before you make peach cobbler or whatever it is, oh man, yeah, there is no more ashiness, there is no more hairs, because the hairs, they come together. Now, as you can see down here, the hairs are still here. I didn't add the gel to it. So even if this dried completely, I'm trying to get you guys to see it when it's dry, you'll see a huge difference. Like, wow, because you can see it here. See all the white vellus hairs? But if you look over here, there are no hairs, because yes, that gel actually makes it come together. That's why men shave with a gel, because the hairs, it forces the hair to stand up or to come together. Now, if you have barbed wire hair, oh man, or really coarse, thick hair, then man, you have to shave it down with an actual electric razor first. The gel's not gonna do anything for you. So some